The leaders, our leaders in the party, members of the National Working Committee, they came to Ibadan, first to commiserate with us over the unfortunate incident that happened towards the end of last year, where we lost those 35 innocent children to stampede. And because of that, I actually cancelled my birthday celebration. So they came to say, well, even though belated, they still felt they should come and wish me well, on the beginning of a new year in my life. And also the new year 2025. And we took the opportunity to talk about happenings within our party, especially the issues surrounding the rule of law. There was a court pronouncement on the issue of a national secretary. My position was clear from day one. I will always follow the rule of law. So this is the new national secretary by court pronouncement, and I said, without mincing words, we will stay on the side of the rule of law. So we deliberated a little bit on what are the things ahead of us. 2025 is going to be a pivotal year for us as a party. 4 years ago, I was the secretary of the Convention Planning Committee that midwifed this National Working Committee. And 4 years after, we have to, do the exercise again. So we spoke about what's ahead of us for 2025, and we do know that Nigerians are waiting for PDP to get its act together, and you can see how united the members of the National Working Committee of our great party, how united they are. There's no faction. Well, it will give a headache to some people, but there's no faction.
The opposition party, the main opposition party, is saying that the People's Democratic Party cannot get it right. And with the visit of the NWC, does this mean that they are on track?
Well, it is the beginning of a lot of good things to come in terms of party administration, in terms of commitment. I had good things from these are leaders, things that I wasn't even thinking deeply about. One of them said to us that, look, there shouldn't be any sacrifice that would be too big, to make in the interest of our party and the interest of Nigerians, looking forward to what I would say, not a one-party state. Nigerians don't want a one-party state. They want alternative. They want to be able to kick people out if they are not delivering on their promises to them. So what I've heard is that there's commitment to ensure that Nigeria does not slide into a one-party state.
All right, thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. And to the executive governor of the state as regards your visit.
Well, we commiserate with Oyo State people through the governor, who is our wonderful leader, a very excellent Nigerian. And we say to the families that lost their loved ones that they should please bear it, having in mind that God is the one that brought those our kids, and it is also the will of God that they should go through that same channel. And we'll tell them that the same Almighty God has a reason, and that reason will come out definitely, because God doesn't fail. He will not fail any of those family members. And we also say to Oyo State that we in PDP we are one, and when one eye cries, the other one also joins. And Oyo State being a PDP state, we in PDP around the entire nation and beyond, because we have members who are not in Nigeria, who are abroad, that we are also mourning with the state, and we say sorry to the entire family and Oyo State people.
So you have emerged as the secretary. What are you bringing on board?
Well, I'm bringing unity on board. I'm bringing oneness. I'm bringing cohesion in our party. I'm coming to make sure that from this year onwards, our party will function effectively as the leading opposition party in Nigeria. And by the grace of God, by 2027, we'll take over Nigeria and give Nigerians exactly the good governance they want.
The party has lost some members to the opposition party. How do you hope to bring them back?
Well, I know that that thing you call lost is not, because many of them are waiting for us. Of course, you can see the leaders, the NWC members of the party. Very soon you will see majority of them, including the members of the ruling party, decamping back to PDP. Thank you.
Your name is full, sir?
My name is Right Honorable SKE Udeh-Okoye, National Secretary of PDP.